MSD.
Parang di napapagod, sige sa kakahakot, malayo na ang inabot, kami pa rin hinahabol. Nasa atin ang panalo na walang talo, sure ball. Nasa atin ang panalo na walang halo, pure gold.
Good evening, MSD Bowlers. Our third day for tonight has ended. Let's congratulate Mr. Jonas Matutik of the Team Winati for being the best bowlers for our third day. Congratulations, Sir Jonas. Question lang natin is, ano yung naging motivation mo para maging best bowler of the night?
Lagi na focus sa team work ko dapat focus na ito. Playing sportsmanship.
Okay, thank you again, Mr. Jonas, and congratulations. Thank you, Marcus.
Nasa atin ang panalo na walang